In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an SSL certificate on Namecheap. We'll begin inside your Namecheap account dashboard. After signing in, go to the dashboard area, then look over to the left-hand menu and open the SSL certificates section. This is where you'll see the certificate you already purchased. Find the correct one and click Activate to begin the setup process. Next, enter the domain name you want to secure. At this stage, Namecheap may ask how you want to handle the installation. If your site uses cPanel, you can choose server-side automation for a simpler process. If not, select the manual option so you can install the certificate yourself. You'll also need to provide a CSR, which stands for Certificate Signing Request. This is an important part of the activation because it connects the certificate to your server. You can generate the CSR using a tool provided by your hosting environment or directly inside your server control panel. Once that's done, the next part is domain control validation, often called DCV. This is how Namecheap confirms that you actually own the domain. You'll be given a few validation methods to choose from. One option is email validation, where an approval message is sent to the administrative email associated with the domain. You simply open that message and approve the request. Another option, and usually the recommended one, is DNS-based validation. If you choose this method, Namecheap will provide a CNAME record with a host value and a target value. Copy those details carefully and add them to your domain's DNS settings in the Advanced DNS area. This method is often reliable, but keep in mind DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to propagate. The third option is HTTP-based validation. For this method, you download the verification file from Namecheap and upload it to the exact directory requested on your web server. This works well if you have direct access to your hosting files. After validation is complete, Namecheap will send you the SSL certificate files, typically including a CRT file and a CA bundle. From here, installation depends on your hosting setup. If you're using Namecheap shared hosting with cPanel, log into cPanel and open the Namecheap SSL plugin. Sign in, go to the Ready for Installation section, and click Install next to the correct domain. The plugin should handle the rest automatically. If you're using the standard cPanel SSL Manager instead, open Security, then SSL TLS. Go to Manage SSL Sites and paste in the CRT file, your private key, and the CA bundle in their matching fields. Then click Install Certificate. Once installed, your website should be secured with HTTPS.